Hello, my learners. Welcome back to Sir Daniel's Maths and Science class. Today we have this maths problem on the board. Let's solve it. Okay, so the question says we should find the value of x. So this question is coming from right angle triangle, or the one we all know as to be Pythagoras Theorem. So let's use the formula and find the value of x. Okay, so from Pythagoras Theorem, we know that hypotenuse squared equals opposite squared plus adjacent squared. Yes, so this is the formula. Hypotenuse squared equals opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So the hypotenuse is the longest side of the triangle, the one the 90 degrees is facing. So that is line BC is the hypotenuse. So let's replace it. So that gives us line BC squared to be equal to opposite. So opposite is this line. So the opposite is line AB, which is 8. So line AB squared to be equal to adjacent is this line AC. So it's equal to line AC squared. Okay, so let's substitute the information here into this formula and find the value of x. So line BC squared. So line BC is s plus 2. So let's replace it. S plus 2 all squared to be equal to line AB. So line AB is 8. So that gives us 8 squared to be equal to plus line AC. So line AC is s minus 2. So plus x minus 2 all squared. Now let's simplify it and find the value of x. So it is difference of 2 squared. So it means we should open the bracket twice. So let's do it. So opening the bracket twice gives us s plus 2, another one again, s plus 2. Good. To be equal to a squared is 8 times 8, which is 64. So 64 plus, and then another difference of 2 squares. So let's open the bracket twice. So that gives us s minus 2, another bracket, s minus 2. So we are done opening the bracket. Let's simplify it with ease. So this means that we should use those in the first bracket to multiply the second bracket by bringing them one by one out. So let's bring s1 out. S out first. So s out first, multiply this bracket, s plus 2. And then plus 2 here, multiplying the second bracket, s plus 2. Good. To be equal to, we have here 64 plus the same thing here. Let's use this bracket to multiply the second bracket. So s out, multiply the second bracket, s minus 2, and then minus 2 out, multiply the second bracket, s minus 2. Okay, so let's continue simplifying it. Now s times x gives us s squared. Plus s times 2 gives us 2x. Then plus 2 times s gives us another 2x. And then 2 multiplying 2 gives us 4. So plus 4. To be equal to, we have here 64 plus, then s times s gives us s squared. And then s times 2. We have the minus here to give us minus 2x. And then minus 2 times s gives us minus 2x. Then minus 2 times minus 2, and again, that gives us positive. So plus 4. Okay, so let's continue simplifying this with ease. So let's deal with those here first. When we are done, we come and deal with those here also. So let's continue from here. Okay, so we have s squared plus 2x plus another 2x plus 4 to be equal to 64 plus s squared minus 2x minus another 2x plus 4. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so let's deal with, as I said, let's deal with those here first. So s squared plus 2x gives us 4s. So that gives us s squared plus 4x plus 4 here to be equal to, then we come to this side. So this is 64 plus the 4 here. That gives us 68. Because you know that 64 will add up to this 4 to give us 68. And then plus we have here s squared here. And then minus 2s give us minus 4s. So we are done simplifying both sides. Let's continue simplifying it again. Okay, so let's group it. Let's group like terms. Let's bring those that contain the s variable on this side and then the numbers also on this side. Okay, so the s variables coming this side give us s squared here and then plus s squared here. So when you cross the sign, give us minus s squared and then plus 4s here. So that gives us plus 4x and then minus 4x here. When you cross the sign, give us plus 4x. So plus 4x to be equal to, so we are done with the s variables on this side. Let's bring the numbers here. So the numbers, we have 68, then plus 4 here. So when you cross the sign, give us minus 4. So 68 minus 4. Okay, so it is becoming easier. Let's continue simplifying it. So s squared minus s squared is like 1 minus 1, which is 0. Okay, plus 4s plus 4s give us 8x. So here we have 8x here, 8x here, to be equal to 68 minus 4 give us 64. Yes, 68 minus 4 give us 64. Now we want the value of s, so it means we divide both sides by 8 so that we can get rid of the 8 which is attaching the x. So divide here over 8 and the same thing here over 8 so that this one cancel this. Then we get s to be equal to, then we know that 8 goes to itself 1 and then goes to 64 8 times. Therefore, the value of s is 8. So the value of s in this Pythagoras theorem question is 8. So if you found this helpful, like, comment, subscribe for the episode. Thank you.